to our Essentials video on embedding individual report components for HTML edition reports. In this video, I will show you how quick and easy it is to embed single HTML report components into web pages. This video complements the HTML section of our support article, Embedding InstantAtlas Reports into Web Pages, which can be found in the desktop support area of My InstantAtlas. This method follows from using the Embed link given from the Share option in the published HTML dynamic report, but specifying a different config XML file in the source URL. In this example, I will show you how to embed just the map component into your web page as shown here. To start with, you will first need to create a new config XML file containing just the component you wish to embed. So we are going to take a copy of the original config XML file from the original published report, delete all the components apart from the one you wish to embed, in this case the map, and resize it so that it fills the whole of the report extent. To avoid scroll bars later, it is advised that you set the minimum width and height of the report to be the same size or lower than you wish the component to appear in your website. These settings can be found here in the style class IA report and are called min width and min height. So I will change these to have a minimum width of 430 pixels and a maximum height of 300 pixels. Now we will need to save the config file and rename it so that it indicates what report components it contains. So I shall change this to config map XML. We can now take the code from the Share option in the original dynamic report, paste it into the correct place in the web page, and modify it to reflect the change of config file. So here I'm going to change the source to be a relative link for the Atlas HTML file, as my web page is located in the report folder, but using the config map as my chosen config file. So I'll add $config equals config_map to the end of the source URL. I now need to choose a height and width which are the same or higher than defined in the style class IA report, so that we don't result in scroll bars. If I then save my web page and open it in a browser, then you will see I have my map component embedded into my web page. Using this method, you can create multiple config files containing different components and can therefore embed lots of separate report components into your web pages. If you have any questions on how to embed separate report components for HTML edition reports, please do not hesitate to contact support@geowise.co.uk.